Hey guys, what's good? It's Kowalska here. It's a weekly vlogging channel, so if you haven't already, subscribe and like this video, share it. Basically, today I'm gonna have an interview, but right now I'm just speeding for it not to be late, because I'm kind of gonna be late. Yep, I'm gonna be late, and I'm going through like this woods and tracks. Basically, look what I'm going through. Look what I'm going through to get there. I'm going through this shit because, oh my god, let's keep this a friendly channel, don't say shit. Okay, so I need to kind of get to the place as fast as possible because, well, I've got the interview at 10 and it's like 9 or something right now, and I need to get ready and stuff like that. Oh my god. Basically, I feel like I'm dying right now because I was sprinting the other minute, but now I can't sprint because I got the camera and I don't want to break it. I'm sorry if there's any wind, but there shouldn't be because it's not windy. But if there is, I'm sorry for the wind. Basically, look what I'm going through. Oh my god, I felt for a minute that someone was there. The minute I put the camera up, I felt like someone was hiding, so my eyes are watering. Oh no! I got scratched. Oh, there's a train coming. I think it's from this side, so I'm gonna capture it. Yeah, I think it is. Wait, I'm just gonna capture it like this. Alright, so yeah. Alright. We can now continue. Alright. So I need to get up there. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but sometimes I have to get up here and I'll hit you back. No, I'm not doing that. So basically I had to climb up here. Look how high that is. I've got like 1,000,000 kilometers to go, and honestly, okay, I'm not gonna do cuts. I feel like my heart, my lungs are gonna die. My heart is gonna stop. I feel like someone's following me. I'm scared. Especially by the fact that this area is known for pedophiles. Which is great that I'm in the middle of the woods where there are pedophiles. At least I have some footage on my camera if there is something. And that's gonna be really creepy. It's gonna be good that I'm gonna look for the footage once I get to the place. I'm gonna try to get some footage of it record, like some footage of the interview. Don't know if that's gonna work though. I had to put the video short because basically someone was passing by and I had to cut the video. Walking the dog, so no worries. Holy moly, that's tall. Like something like that. Alright. I feel like I need to sprint it a little bit because I'm kind of in a hurry, but nah. I'm recording it to the camera. Yo! Sorry for the wind. I can't really help you when I'm running. Oh, fuck. So I need to get into one more high thing and then I have to get down on it, and I'm scared that I'm going to lose my camera on it, so I don't think I'm going to record it. But actually, that's what you guys are here for. Good footage, so yo. So this is how high I get. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry I'm swearing so much. I'm just not used to being that high up. Oh my god, it's so steep as well. Just because it's steep, it doesn't look that bad. Let me tell you guys, it's like 15 or 20 meters down, and here it's actually very, very steep. And this is what I was talking about, and I'm scared to go on no camera, but good footage! Yo, sorry for the wind. Fuck. I've gone down the main hill. I'm gonna try to show you how the footage goes. It's like really creepy here because you like hear stuff every now and then, and it's like, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go a little bit off the road and show you how this thing looks. So this is how steep this is from the beginning, and then there's like a steep ramp. Fuck. Oh my god, I feel like I'm dying right now, but I'm gonna hit you back when I get the thingy, when I get the interview done, and I'm gonna tell you what they asked me, because the interview is gonna be in Polish. I'm obviously in Poland right now. Not for long though, I'm gonna be coming back to England soon. So yeah. I'm so tired. And basically, I will hit you back and I'll try to record some of the interview footage. So basically, bye bye. Yo, it's gonna be good footage. Okay.
Proszę o Dufnera i... Okej. A czemu ty nie chciałeś oddać? O, to jest Dufnera, to jest jej? Nie, ja się pytam, czy ty masz swojego. A mogę to skończyć? A ty? Koszka. Jak?
Nie no, Laura, jaka gwiazda.
To jest twój w domu, tak? No nie, to ty masz swoje, tak? To co ty wzięłaś?
Nie, bo wczoraj
Laura, to prawda, no. Tak?
Nie, to ja nie wiem. Zabierasz ich, nie? Tak, do sali naszej.
ja strefę, zapomniałam.
Ty też po autograf?
No.
Serio?
Tak.
A ty jak
Ja
Moja siostra ma jej.
A chcesz ten autograf?
Nie.
Nie wzięłam Nie wiadomo, czy zimy. Ma 1, 2, 3.
Laura, tutaj jeszcze Julce i Filipowi.
Co masz?
Tak. No widzisz, tak z tym się wiąże słaba.
Serio?
Tak, serio.
Marcin, no błagam.
Sprzedam na Allegro.
Ej, jak się nazywasz?
Idę do domu wystawić to.
Aha.
Za 5 zł.
Czy pamiętasz, że będziesz do domu?
Do widzenia. Jutro ja będę o 10:00 na 10:00.
Pani się cię nie pozbywa.
Proszę. Miłego dnia.
które było najfajniejsze.
Co jest
Może będzie fajnie, jak użyję fidgeta, spinnera i kostkę i zmieszam to razem, bo zawsze kostka jest jakimiś emocjami, bo niedużo osób potrafi ją ułożyć.
Fidget spinnerem bawią się teraz praktycznie wszyscy. Jest to nowa moda. Co tobie podoba się najbardziej w tym urządzeniu?
To, że się tak szybko kręci, bo naprawdę nie trzeba dużo się starać, żeby się rozkręciło. W pewnym sensie można się bardziej skupić. Jak się nie można skupić, to sobie można zakręcić spinnera i się wtedy bardziej poczuje rozluźnionym. Tak, w pewnym sensie to tak działa.
Kilkoro